The digiDL-H is the solution for tachograph remote download. To install it, start by removing the tachograph using the extraction tools. Remove the white A plug and, if present, the red C plug from the back of the tachograph. Insert the corresponding white and red plugs from our ETC enhanced Tacho cable into the back of the tachograph, leaving the yellow plug connected to itself unless required for a double plug installation. If there is an existing red plug, insert this into the ETC's connector block in place of the red termination plug, and then insert the white plug. Remove the slot covers and pass the ignition and 4-pin cable through the back and out of the empty slot being used for the DL-H. Tidy the cables away, resting the tachograph in its slot until the install is complete. Turn on the ignition to ensure you're able to fully test the DL-H. Ensure you have installed both antennas to the corresponding sockets. Connect the 2-pin ignition cable into the ignition socket and then plug the 4-pin CAN and power cable into the C&P in socket. The red power, green CAN connection to Tacho and white hub lights should light up first. The blue comms light may take a few moments while it ensures the SIM and network settings are working and that the device is registered on a DigiCentral server. Once all the lights are on, you can then tidy the DL-H away, return the slot covers and secure the tachograph back into position.